I don't believe these niggas gangsta. I don't believe these niggas cool. I don't believe these niggas hustler. I don't believe these niggas fool. Yeah, no way. I don't believe these niggas. I don't believe these niggas. I don't believe these niggas. I don't believe these niggas.
Royalty on 24. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know it.
Gang, back with another video. I don't know how long a video this is going to be today. Seeing how I need to upload it tonight. I had to work today. Took off half the day to get a gold digger together. I had to go to the tax office to get the registration and tags. It was pretty easy. I already had gone and got the inspection. So all I had to do is basically go to the tax office. What all I had to do? I went to the tax office. I got there early. They opened up at 8. I was there at 8 so that I could get everything done and not have to wait all day in line. So I got to the tax office. I had my insurance papers. I had the title, which I was changing the title over into my name. I had the insurance. I had insurance, the inspection. What else did I need? I had the title. I think that's all. Normal stuff like driver's license and the bread, of course, because it's 10% of whatever the car costs. So I had to have the bread in order to pay to get everything, the license plates, the registration, and get the title turned over into my name. So I did all that. That took about an hour. So all that's done now. So I'm about to get a haircut. Once I get my haircut, then I'm gonna go to where I keep the car at, and I'm gonna put the plates on and put the registration sticker in the window. And come on, phone, cell phone going off. And see what else I can do, because I don't know how much sunlight I'm gonna have left. This may just be a short video today, because I'm trying to make sure I release a video every other day. But if I can get some work done on the Caprice, I'll do something. Do some work on it if I can. So hold tight. Actually, before I say hold tight, I may have to change the order up of the way I'm gonna get stuff done, because right now, let me turn the car off. So right now, some of the gauges work, some of the gauges don't. So I can't. It says the gas tank says full, but I don't know if it's really full, and so I may not get the windshield done first. I may get the dash done first. So if I get the dash done, the digital dash, it's $355 plus tax to get the digital dash, and then I'm gonna spend about $350 to get it, put on. Then after I have the dash done, then I'll go to getting the windshield put on. So I'll have that done. So that's probably the order I'm gonna go in. With the little stuff, I'll still be doing that in between, but so I think it's gonna be the digital dash, the windshield, then the headlights, in that order. Then I'll start. It's a lot of work to be done. Like there's the windshield wipers don't work. The windows, 3 windows roll down, but they roll down slowly. So I may have to replace the motor on all 4 windows. The driver's side window, the one that I need most to roll down, doesn't roll down at all. I'm trying to think. So probably the motor for the thing that squirts the windshield wiper fluid on the windows. I don't think that works either. The radio does work, but we can't have that radio like that, so gonna have to change out the radio. Gonna have to change out the speakers. And it seems like there's only 2 speakers in the car, and they're up front. So that's gonna have to change too. So, Gold Digger, it's gonna be a lot of money spent on Gold Digger getting her right. I'm not tripping because I knew that when I bought the car. So, yeah, once I get to where I got the car stored, I'll cut the camera back on. I may film some of my, getting my hair cut too, just to throw that in there. But hold tight.
1 hour later.
Man. Dog, no dog. Wait. Check and see if they got the. So, y'all took the plates off, and y'all took the screws? Where they do that at? So I gotta get some screws? Is there any screws in the back? Should be the same. No, why would y'all do such a thing? So disrespectful. Now I gotta order me some screws. So I don't know, they might not have none at none of these stores. Somebody roll down the street playing copyright on me? Alright. At least I can get the old registration sticker off. It looked like it's been on here since 2000 and no. It looked like it's been on here since 2006. Hold on. Can't get this corner. Fat hand. It's been on there so long, it's like breaking into pieces. Literally. And it's like on there. On there. Got it. That's what's up. Now, the new sticker. I gotta put it way down there. Definitely official. We're good. Can't put the plates on because there's no plate screws. There it is. Where they take the screws? At least we got that done now. Alright. Now, last time I tried to start the car, it didn't want to start. So, let's see what it does today. Hope we have a better outing today. Let's see. Yeah, sort of like yesterday. I don't know, it's got a lot of water in the gas, so let's try it again. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. just like yesterday. After the B12 is to remove all the water out of the gas tank, which I believe there's a lot of water in there, which is why we're having a problem starting it right now. The blue part is it says don't put the B12 on the tank. Don't worry about it. Try this again. Breathe. That's the engine. We're replacing some stuff on it, like the carburetor thing in the middle. All right, let's try it again. Breathe. Tail lights don't. The lights on. So the tail lights work. Headlights work too, but they're just out. We'll probably replace those.
next day.
Dark on me yesterday, so I had to come back today. Just know that the sticker is on here. And so are the license plate on the front and the back. Start it up, let it run for a little bit. Got the B12 running through a system, trying to get all the extra water out the tank. The gas tank, that is. Let's see. See if I can start it without having to put my foot on the gas. Yes, sir. We got action. But yeah, as far as this build, I'm gonna be taking my time. Look at my roof. But there's no sense in replacing the headliner right now because I'm gonna get a sunroof. So I think I should let them put the sunroof in first because the sunroof is probably gonna take up most of the roof. So it's probably better just to let them put the sunroof in first, then get the headliner done. No rush on any of that. I gotta change the seat belts out. I got a lot to do, but like I told you, the first thing I'm gonna do is probably do this these gauges, so I can tell if it's running hot, how much gas is in here. I'm supposed to run all this gas out before I get. Well, I'm gonna get more gas, another full tank of gas, and then I'm gonna get another B12. Now I actually got some other stuff, some other stuff that once this tank gets on half full, that I'm gonna put in there to help with the getting all the gas out of the getting all the water out of the gas. And then I also got another thing that I'm gonna use to help it out a little bit more. So right now the main part is getting all the water out of the gas so that I can so the engine will run better. But you know, as far as old schools go, the more you drive them, the better they're gonna run. So I thought I was gonna be able to drive the car tomorrow, which is gonna be Wednesday, but I didn't get my haircut again today, so I'm gonna get my haircut tomorrow. So most likely I'll be driving this car on Thursday, and you know, hitting the streets since I'm street legal now. The only thing they can really fool with me about is the turn signal lights, or the turn signal on the right side needs to be replaced. So I wanted to film it, you know what I'm saying? So I may wait so that I can film me actually putting the light on the car, then drive the car, because at that point they can't stop me. The tail lights work, all the lights work. It's just I got a broken right signal light. If you know me, I don't want to mess with me at all. Especially with all the stuff that's going on nowadays. I don't want you pulling me over, or messing with me for anything. I'm gonna have my seatbelt on. I'm gonna be driving the speed limit, making complete stops, putting my left and right signal light on. But yeah, so that's what we got going on right now. It's a work in progress. Also need to, I want to take it to the car wash. And I know the paint job is bad, but I still want to try to knock some of this dirt off of the ride. So I'm also gonna do that. This is exciting. You know what I'm saying? I've really been pretty much telling everybody about the box, because I've been wanting a box for a long time. So now I finally got one. Yes, sir. I was running good until I did that. A little choppy now. I guess when I do that, it brings some of that old. I don't know. Y'all tell me, what color y'all think this car used to be? Is that brown or is that burgundy? I'm trying trying to see. What do y'all think? I think it's burgundy. I don't know, because this might be like dark brown. It's dust in here too. There's leaks. Ooh, excuse me. But for the most part, all this is still in good shape. Pretty good. This definitely has to go. I wish I could get rid of this. The car needs a lot of work. It's alright. We're gonna get it all done. Dash is pretty bad. Gonna need a new radio. Gotta finish taking off the rag top. I'm just gonna take off all this silver. It's got screws. I'm gonna take off all the silver. Chrome, supposed to be, I guess. I'm gonna take it all off so I can finish taking off the rag top all the way around. I'm gonna change the steering wheel too eventually. I see that, but it only has 70,000 miles on it. So the engine should still be good. See how it's cracking up? You can expect that from a car that's, 40 years old. The windows better let down. Stuff isn't bad at all. Normal wear and tear for a car that's as old as it is. This is the kind of stuff that is gonna be the killer though. Old Bondo. Glued it down. Oh no. See what I'm talking about? I can't win with this tire. I can't win with it. I'm sick of it already. That's it, I'm getting a whole new rim. Sick of it. More rust. Guess I won't be driving it. Yeah, that sucks. Alright, I'm home now, Zebra Gang. So, as you can see, there's still a lot to be done to the Caprice. Still waiting to get my hair cut. Hopefully I get a chance to get it cut tomorrow. Y'all stay tuned to the channel. Make sure that you're sharing the channel. Make sure you're exploring the channel. It's still going up all 2023. Again, I am the pull-up king. Winter, summer, fall, or spring. I'm in that thing. Not in that order, but it's mine. I'll holler back at y'all.
Hey, y'all go subscribe to my boy Royalty on 24s, man. He got one of the hardest RTs, man. For real, for real. Hey, the interior and all the guts and all that good stuff.